Marlon's computer. It is recording. Hello, this is our lab group. And we can
Everyone's
start.
Oh, do we have to turn our video cameras on?
We do.
I don't know, probably.
I think I read on a
Okay.
campus wire message that you really should.
I have to open
Like, I think it'll help a lot.
Yeah, I'll just turn mine on.
I mean, I don't have to see your face. Like you just, oh my god, he's in Zach.
Mhm.
I've spotted him.
where
All right. Let's get
Press-
going.
good.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that 3 questions? I assume? 3.
6.
Oh,
think so.
6. Wowzers.
Oh,
How sad.
If you think about it, if one of us doesn't open it, that means like we have more. We technically have 270 minutes. If we space it out, like if we spaced it out 3 like 90
Oh,
90,
Uh,
we're basically
Will
there.
you press to create a new file, dude? Visit new file.
I just have a button on my Emacs that just opens the file or opens a new file. Oh yeah, I think it is. Right, that's what I clicked. So go to file. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, your Emacs looks different from mine.
Oh, I have just such a special version. Thank God, dude.
I think it is visit new file. Let me try. Great.
Yeah,
start
it
to
was
lab.
okay.
Oh, then you name it. Okay.
Multiply. Wait, like
Open
that.
screen, so just so I can see the question right away. To mine.
2 parameters. Multiply both and display the result.
okay. That seems pretty easy.
To complete the process, have a main call the multiply function. Okay. What do I do?
Okay.
What is it multiply? It's like this, and then you just do X, Y, and it's done.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But
Mhm.
then I have to print. Okay, I just do display.
And then I think in main you have to define X and Y. And
Yeah.
then
Like that.
yeah, that looks good.
Okay. All right, then main. Damn, how do you a main like this?
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna look at the notes and see if I can find it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna type out the stuff on my side, just so I can run it on my side.
Yeah,
Auto save. Stop it.
I'm about to start doing C++ int main.
Yeah, once you know C, you know everything.
Can't go back.
Oh, okay. You could put
Would it just be like define main? Or
yeah, define main in or parenthesis define main.
If you have an
Okay.
extra parentheses on your top
Oh.
function.
Oh wow, this thing doesn't actually tell you, so I gotta go through. Which one do you think's extra?
I think you just take one off the end.
Yeah, just take one off the end.
Are you sure?
Actually,
Because defining open here, and then I would never close it because this one,
Oh,
yeah.
oh.
yeah.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, so wait, let me type it in chat actually.
Oh,
'cause
I
maybe
did not
that'll-
make this. I did not have display. Oopsies.
Let me look at the chat. How do I? Okay, like this.
May
like something like
you just have you don't put any variables for the main, right? Or any arguments.
Probably not, right? No,
I assume it's just argument list. Like, that's a thing, right? I feel like I saw that in the notes earlier.
like would it be something like this in chat? I think. Ignore the numbers, but so I'm just looking through the notes right now.
I'm feeling that too.
Sounds good. Do I have to do print, or since I have display, it already is called, or like?
Oh,
It just if you put display.
yeah.
How do you call when you call a function? Can you just do multiply and then do like
Yeah, multiply and then the variables, yeah, like
two
that.
numbers or something.
and should that be good?
Does it say anything to specify multiply? You just
You can just do it however you want. Okay, we'll see if it works. Okay, dude. Great. It has like the weird stuff. Hopefully. I don't have the same errors I had before. Nothing happened.
Because I think you actually have to call the main function.
yeah, like with
Oh,
the
like this?
yeah.
Like that. Main. How would I do that? I don't remember.
Just type main in parentheses, I think.
Like this. That's not right. 7 times 8 is 0. What if I do, I could try to do multiply and see what happens.
Why did it like
God, I can't type. Unbound variable multiply. Am I allowed to Google?
I
Yeah,
Googled
just
a lot
just
of
do
stuff.
whatever.
I mean, it's a lab. I assume if I was in a lab,
Actually.
I'd be able to Google stuff. Could you open up the wait? Could you just like when you have free time? Could you just like go to the other question? I just want to like copy and paste it onto my screen
Yep.
so I can at least start with it. Like if they're probably around the same thing, same difficulty. I'll just look at the second one
Yeah.
while we're doing this.
You good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna, what was I? There. I've literally done this before. Okay. Well, this doesn't help because we didn't define something inside something else, did we?
It's like they had it in the scheme conditions notes. That's what I was looking at, like defining a main function and all that.
No, I think the error is in multiply. I don't even think it's in main. Because I called multiply and this is unbound variable multiply. It might be the way I set it up. I'm gonna look at my notes. I remember right. No, I don't think I did it wrong. Well, obviously I did, but I don't know how.
Yeah, I mean, let me see.
It might be because I have display inside of it. I'm gonna try and not have display, but then it won't print, will it?
Or you could just say display multiply 7, 8 or whatever.
No, yeah, you're right. Okay.
And go back to the old notes just to open it.
How do I? This is what I had the issue I had before. Okay, there we go. I stopped it.
It's the simple stuff. It always is in comp sci.
I'm gonna make sure and open and see if I have multiple files. See, I do have multiple.
Wait, can
You know how
back
to
to
save it
code?
when you don't have multiple? No, it just fixed. Maybe that's why I was messed up actually. I could do.
See, wait, when I run the GSI, it just like, oh, it does what you're doing. Yeah, it does what yours is doing, or it just doesn't. run. You have to wait, inside the file, should we just put like a read function so you can actually like enter the stuff? Does that? Y'all get what
Yeah,
I'm
I
saying?
guess. But I don't know if we're supposed to. I think it's just supposed to take in two parameters and just display for our function. So we have to somehow display. I think is how you do it. Like you just have to do that, and I would just add extra
Display
parentheses.
main.
Yeah, that looks good actually. And then in main, you just do multiply 7, 8, and then just call main at the end of the program.
This.
Main and yeah, main and parentheses. I think you might actually have to call it in the file, like in the
Like at the
program.
end.
Yeah. And just
Like
do
that.
main in parentheses, yeah.
Yeah, let's
And
see.
then save it. Because I think the idea is that you do GSI and then it prints out the
Oh,
number.
yeah, it
There we
works.
go. There we go.
So what did you do? Oh, you just put main like that?
Yeah.
I put display main and it worked, but it came out a little weird. Like it has
So,
like,
I mean, we finished. Should I be the one that fills this in? I guess.
I guess so, yeah.
All
I
right.
did the same thing, but mine shows up as like, it has the 6. Like it has what I wanted to multiply, but it has like,
Okay.
I don't know. It has
Wait,
like a
how do you copy
hashtag.
it? Maybe
It's
it's in
like
here.
end. Yeah, I just did that. I don't know what M
There.
is. I think M is something with mouse one. No clue. I hope it's not capital
And I know we have to have an image of it running, right? Should I put that in there too? I guess
M.
like this.
Image of
Yeah,
it.
go ahead and do that.
Oh,
All right.
Or wait, don't they want you to attach the actual file?
I
I
can do it on here.
heard
You can like,
two different answers for that on Campus Wire. I think the picture is better.
Okay, yeah, whatever.
I just
Okay.
feel like the picture is way more simpler, you know.
Yeah,
And
that's
the picture,
fine.
yeah, and like the picture, you can have like the actual terminal running too.
I'm gonna put on my desktop.
Lab 2. Yeah.
Oh, I almost closed that. That would have been sad.
Okay, and then what was the second problem? Was it like even
You
odd
just
or
check,
whatever?
yeah, you just check if it's even or odd.
Okay,
Okay.
so I assume that's like an if else sort of deal. There's a mod function in Scheme, right?
There is. I remember seeing this earlier. I could probably check my I could probably check my history and look up what I was, because I like looked up a different file for Steam like last time because I just wanted to like see.
2.scm. All right.
That's not good.
Even dash odd xy. Oh, it just takes in one number actually, right?
Wait, could you go to the question 3? I just want to look at all the questions.
Yeah.
So I can copy and paste. Nice. Good. Yeah, I'm good.
And then I gotta look at the notes from this.
Yeah.
Because it's like so weird, the formatting for the if else.
Oh, I have it up in the notes, I think.
All right.
Oh yeah, this syntax is weird.
You have like the if percent is probably the percent sign, right? X into equals 0. Oh, I don't know how to do this actually.
Because it's like if, and then the condition, and then if it's true, and then if it's false.
So if
Like, do you
okay.
have the notes sheet up?
I mean, I have it on I wrote it down. I have it right here, but I don't know how to
Okay.
format. Like, if I have the percent sign, would I do like if percent to an X
Yeah.
like that, and then it'd be like equals 0, or is it equals? I don't really know.
Um,
I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Figure it out later, I guess. All right, and then the first one's the one that's occurs if it's true. I know that. So if the input is not a number,
yeah, because like, what does it say? We just have to print out whether it's even or odd.
yeah, it also says not a number. How do you check if the input is a number?
So I guess we have one if statement for if it's a number, and then
Yeah, we have like an if else type thing, I think. Like it'd be like if actually, you know what you can do is I just found this one. You can just do this. You do cond like that. Then you could have like 1, 2, 3 conditions. And then if this one's evaluated, then this happens. Or if this one's true, that happens. And this one's true, that happens. Like on the notes, it's like this, and it'll be like less than x60 print f like that, basically, is what the notes have.
okay.
And you could just do like this one. Well, you don't need 1, 2, 3. I was just writing that, but like if this is true, it'll do that. If that's true, it'll do that. So I think we could just do that, and it'd be easier.
Because I saw this in the notes, I put it in chat. Like something like that, maybe.
If we could put like if number or something, you think that's a thing?
I don't imagine it would be. Let me see.
It's never that easy. I'm just gonna try to write it like that. Number X.
Oh, that's right. Can't you do number question mark?
And if it's not a number, so what's the not? Is it like this? Like that?
Oh, can't you do the same thing for odd also? Like odd even?
Oh yeah, you might.
Like you just do like question mark space odd question mark.
We'll try that. Print F, and then what
Like for
were
our,
we supposed to
yeah,
do
for the
now?
second one.
Number. And then we have this. And then we go like that. Just do even. I hope this works because this would be beautiful if it did. Even. And then what do we have to do after this?
Oh, it says you may not put print or display statements in the even odd functions.
Oh, okay. So how do you display then? What is
I don't know actually.
Does
That's
anyone know where the HTML manual is? I
You hit
think
wizard.
I'm working on question 3, and apparently it is talking about that. If you guys don't, then I'll look. I mean, I'm looking for it right now. I'll find it. But if anyone knows,
Yeah, I don't know.
HTML.
manual.
That's weird.
That's
What do we
question
need
3
HTML
is.
for?
So question 3 is asking for.
Oh, it does. It says use HTML manual for help. What the hell?
And I think you need it. Like it's not a suggestion. It's like a need.
Is it under the scheme flavor manuals?
I am looking scheme flavor manuals.
But it just has Gambit and Doctor and Racket on there. I don't see HTML. What's R5RF? What? No way.
So I assume the question. I mean, if you guys are looking at question 3, you call the function with one variable, and that's like Boolean float or string, and it returns an ID, right? Or you pass in a Boolean, like the little is it called ampersand? No, it's not ampersand. It's the like hashtag. Like you put hashtag T and it returns.
Oh,
That's what it's
okay.
asking for, right?
So should we return like the oh, I have it written somewhere.
Can you just tell me which one that is? Like which online file or something, whatever. it is? 'Cause
Oh wait, what? Online file for the HTML?
No, like what it should return, like where it is on one of these videos.
Oh, I have it written down, so
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Yeah.
Right.
I mean, I think we just put
Wait, hold on. I'm seeing one called variable type scope and naming. Maybe. Maybe it's in here. Why are you even showing us C++ code? We're not going to be able to use it.
Wait. So are you returning like true or false Booleans or something?
yeah.
So
Oh, okay.
I assume it's also an if else, right?
Yeah.
This will work, I think, at least based off what I'm seeing on his thing. Except for you don't put parentheses here, you just have it like fuck. Dude, I don't like that. It like when you backspace the character to the left. Like what is that?
Like, why is it highlighting the thing that I don't? That's not.
Like look, when I backspace, it backspaces the thing behind it, but not what you're on. It's so weird. I don't like this.
If there's anyone actually listening to all the videos.
There's no way.
Like, dude, there's just too many groups. Like, they're not listening. But imagine, I'm sure like some things get listened to at one point. They just skip like a random part of the video. They must hear like at least one
Probably.
conversation.
Sure people are doing stuff or something.
I'm sure some people have said some really funny things. Okay, this is like static dynamic stuff. This is not what I need. This is too hard. This lab is low-key tough.
Yeah. How much time do we have left?
I think it's
A
like
long time.
70 minutes still.
An hour and
Okay.
6 minutes.
Wait, don't we have 2 hours for it?
90 minutes, I
This
think.
is like
Oh,
one
okay.
hour,
Hour and a
honestly.
half.
I mean, realistically, like we still have our own. like, like I haven't opened the quiz yet, but I guess they might be like, that's a little suspicious. If one of the
This
guys
could
just
open
opens
and
it
turn
up,
anything in.
but he didn't type in anything.
It was an accident, dude. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
It was a false start, you know. Somebody like we started the quiz, but then the guy had audio issues, so we couldn't. I'm sure that would get through. I probably shouldn't say that. That's
Yeah, they hopefully don't watch this part.
Shit.
Yeah, yeah, they skip right to this part of the meeting.
That would be bad.
I mean, I think this looks good, but that means like if we call this function and it returns, like I don't know how we're supposed to like do this. It'd be like, oh, I call even on with this, and it returned false. That could be even, or it could be odd, or it could be not a number. So I don't really know how we're supposed to do it. Okay.
That's really all the notes there is. God damn.
Pass data in from main. All right, I remember. I did that on the first one because we had to do that thing. So I'm gonna go look at that because I forgot
Like
what I wrote.
the read. Is that what you're talking
Yeah.
about? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's just
Oh,
like
as in like
I think
just
read
putting
is
in a
just
random number.
I think read is just in parentheses, and I think that's how you run it.
You just do like this.
Yeah. I think so. Well, I think read is like you put it in its own parentheses by itself.
Oh yeah, I remember that. It was like this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
wait, I
just
feel like I
whatever.
have it somewhere.
Ask for the input.
Yeah, I have it from the last one.
Yeah, it's just read in parentheses. Like
And
that's
then
gonna be
on-
the value that's read in.
Okay. Then I could just type even
You can use
odd.
display functions in the main.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like I'm gonna display the result based off what it returns, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I gotta do more if statements, but then it's like if it's not a number, it returns.
Yeah, if it's not
Yeah,
a number, then it'll just, oh wait.
I might be able to actually just do this. Because if I can return hashtag F, shouldn't I be able to just do that also?
You could try it.
Yeah, I'll just try it. Because the notes I'm looking at, it's like conned, and then it has like the thing, the condition, and then it just says right after it, the false thing. So I think you can literally just put whatever you want and it'll return, but we'll see. He might want us to know that you can do this, which is why we can't put display maybe. At least that's what I hope. To make it easier. So we can just do even odd read like that.
I think so.
Oh wait,
Well,
yeah.
don't we want to display it? Display the result?
I think this returns a value, so maybe I just have to put display like this.
Yeah,
That
I
seems
think
right.
that's good.
That's not
God, this is so weird.
Let's see. 3 calls to your new function. Use the phone.
Except I don't think I need these parentheses at the beginning and end.
Scheme tutorials. Like, where is this HTML manual, man?
Knows. Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
I don't understand. Why is there duplicate files? Do y'all know?
I think
No,
it's just the.
I honestly don't know
I think
why
it's just
it's
the
doing
thing it does, and the professors have probably used this enough to where they think it's like natural just to ignore the fact that it does that, but we don't. They didn't specify it. That's my guess, because I think ignoring it is going a long way. But if it means something, then that's unlucky.
End of file reached.
Okay, we're probably missing a parenthesis somewhere.
Yeah, I am right there. Now let's see, is there another duplicate? No, just one. Okay, and now I can just call main. Wait. Is that how you do
Oh,
it?
remember we're supposed to put main in the program in parentheses. Because we defined it, but we didn't actually execute
Yeah.
it.
Okay, you're right. Oops.
Oh, uh-oh. Typing like a C++. type?
No, fuck. No, 7 is not a number.
I
Great.
mean, at least it executes.
Yeah.
At least it does something. We're on the right track.
Operator is not a procedure. Let's cool that. Perfect, dude. I'm about to find something. Oh, I think it's because I have not like this, and it should be like. Wait, actually, never mind. I don't know. I'm thinking if it's like. Maybe I wrote something that has not. No. Because I remember not is like weird. It can be like an operator and a function or something like that.
Oh yeah.
So I think I'm using it wrong. That's probably why it messed up. I don't really know how.
Wait. Wait, I'm gonna type something in chat and see. Like you could do like an if statement.
Be easier maybe.
Something like that. But does
Oh,
it not
yeah.
want us to return if it is a number?
Well, if it is a number, we don't do anything, I think. We have to like move on to
Okay.
these ones. So it could, I think the way to do it is the cond thing, but I don't know how to like say, like I know you can use not because I can see it above. Like they have like not and then it's, okay, that's too confusing. Where's a better one? This one. Not, and it goes around both of this. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, okay. Let me add extra parentheses. Let's see if that works. Never know. Oh, wow.
Nice.
I mean, it's maybe working. Let's try F.
Nice.
It's giving an error, but it works. 7.
Operator is
yeah,
not a
it works.
procedure. From what? From
I
what?
have no idea.
9, 10. Oh, in the display, I think you might need an extra parentheses in the main
Yeah, like parenthesis before
before
display.
display. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Probably
I guess it
get
And
rid
then
of the one in the
in,
middle. Get rid of the one in the middle.
Which
Yeah,
one?
that one,
This
that one, the one that's highlighted. Yeah.
okay.
What is this for?
I don't think you needed to get rid of that one.
Where does this one go to? Nothing?
I think that's for the functions. Like for the main function.
Okay.
The
I'll
one-
just leave it. And let's see if we get it. No, we don't. Oh my goodness.
Holy shit.
That's clutch. Let's go.
Let's go. Still
Alright.
can't figure out what type ID, what I'm supposed to, it says it needs to do it for all of them, but I think you only need to do for the 3. So Boolean would show up as like a hashtag at the front. Float would have a decimal. How would you check?
I'm gonna copy and paste it first. Okay, scheme 3.
Okay, a function called type ID. Use the HTML manual.
Type ID,
Did you
one
guys ever?
value.
You guys ever
Isn't
open
it-
like the
it's-
racket stuff?
No, I have not.
Oh, ID, the basic type passed in.
I'm
Oh,
looking.
so we basically just have to check and see if these are what is.
Yeah.
That's
So
basically just.
so if it sees like the hashtag, it's Boolean. You return Boolean, I assume, or just wants you to display it.
I think you can literally just do a voice crack, but okay, here.
It's okay.
Like,
It happens.
I know, dude. I'm like 20 years old and I still voice crack, dude. Come on.
Just
Con. I think you can literally just do like what we basically just did, like that,
Mhm.
and then return Boolean.
How would you do
Float.
float?
I don't know, but I'm literally just gonna do that just for now.
Yeah.
You never know, dude. It turns out, dude, checking to see data types on C++, I remember in 121 it was so annoying. Like it would be like, oh, you need to make sure, check all the exceptions. And we'd have to literally be like typing out all this complicated stuff. I'm actually, scheme is clutch, dude. Look at this.
Yeah. We just. Well, I hope that this works.
Yeah, if it works, scheme's clutch.
I don't trust this.
Oh, you forgot a quotation mark at the end.
Oh, it just messed everything up. Okay.
Oh,
Why? Like,
who,
why?
String.
who made this thing? Who made this language?
Editor ever.
I'm getting the hang of it.
Okay, I think it's good now. Did I make sure? Yeah, okay. I think this might work, but we just have to. Do we need a main function? Yeah, of course. Define.
Yeah, I'm just gonna assume that we need to define main every single time we do it.
Define main.
I'm missing.
And we can just do. This is when you do 3 calls, so we can just do display type ID. What do you put? Hashtag F like that? I forgot a parentheses. Type ID, a float. I don't know what a float. I'll just do that.
Oh, so we just call it 3 different times.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
And then I don't even know why I'm caring about formatting. It matters.
It'll be nicer for whichever TA has to grade this.
Oh yeah, maybe they'll like us, you know?
Yeah, they'll give us some brownie points.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll listen into our conversations.
These kids were complaining about the lab time. I think we should deduct 100 points.
And they didn't do anything wrong, but like they're talking about it.
One of these kids was saying he didn't even know the quiz was a closed book. I think we should do that.
Get his ass on that one. Caught him slacking.
Unbound variable float. Oh no, maybe this isn't a thing.
That's tough. All right. Let me search through the notes.
It's gonna be in that one. I don't think I watched the videos for the one that was like variables or types.
Boolean,
was
I
like-
think Boolean is a thing. Boolean is a thing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I know
of
course.
Boolean.
Because I see that on one of the examples.
Boolean and string are for sure a thing. The
See,
float one might
types.
be. That's maybe where we need
Variables, scope, type, and naming.
HTML.
Is there a float input for HTML?
That's weird. I feel like float should work because it's a variable type.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could
I
have
don't
done
know why
something
it's not.
wrong. Make sure I didn't mess anything up. Type, that's fine. The cond is fine. I think this is fine too. Oh, I think I missed a parenthesis. Maybe not. I don't understand these parentheses, dude.
Oh, I think you have an extra one on the last one. Yeah.
This one's for closing out cond.
Oh,
but
that's
I
right.
also-
Yeah.
Oh, I am missing a parenthesis actually. Because I should be closing
Where?
out the string. I don't know how to, like, you see how these all, oh wait, never mind.
Hmm.
That's wrong.
Wait.
Never mind. I'm
Um,
good. I'm good. I think. We define the function, closed it, closed. This is closed. These are all closed. I was wrong. I don't know why I was thinking that.
I think I found it. Just give me 1 second.
Why do we need to look at HTML?
Try real question mark.
Like a real number?
Yeah, like real question mark. Because apparently you could do number question mark, complex, real, rational, and integer.
Yeah, we did number for the last one. That one worked.
Okay, that's good. Try real. That's what I'm reading here.
I mean, it executed all of them. So no errors anymore.
Put string
But I'm-
instead of string. Put a
Oh,
T
yeah.
in that. That was just bothering me. So you
There.
probably put new, just throwing some new line. in between
New
those.
line, yeah. How do I do that again?
I think you can literally just go under every display function, just do
Do
new line.
new line, do
Like
this.
in parentheses, yeah. I think that's a thing.
No, we should just leave it all jumbled up. That's what I want to see.
No, because the TA is gonna dock us.
You'd be like,
Organization
know.
trash.
do you think the real is good enough though? Because what if I pass in like a 7? It would still be fine, right?
It's
that's
still
a
a
real
it's still a
number.
float though, right? 7's still a float. Like it can be.
I mean, I guess, yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
I don't know. I mean, I'm just gonna real quick just see how to check.
You can check if it's not a number first, I guess. Like you can check if it's a number first. Wait. Can you go back to that question? Like, what does it say? Because the function should work with all basic types. Is it asking for like everything?
I don't think so. I think it's just these 3. Because why else would they put those 3, right?
Because in the question
It says the function should work with all basic types.
What are the basic?
That's fine though.
types?
Can we just write like more conditions for the other data
Yeah.
types?
Yeah, it's just
Which-
annoying though.
Is there a list of data types that we should? I think there was in
That's
one of the
why
things.
we have to go on HTML.
There's short, int, long, float, double, long, double. Ooh.
Wait, how many are there?
There's short.
I think it's yeah. What are the primitive data types for scheme?
Yeah.
A float. You know, I feel like there might be something weird.
Ints, float, boolean. I think at least for getting the float one, the real question mark is what you want. For sure. What's a long? Like specific.
It's like it's literally just a bigger, I think,
Yeah,
integer maybe. I can't
it's a
remember.
big int, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, int, string, float.
So I should
boolean,
put like
byte, char.
int. But does he only want us to check these three, I guess?
Yeah, I think it just wants us to check those, but it should be able to check all
Alright.
data types. I have the list.
All right, do you want to like copy? Are you able to copy and paste it or no? Or could like
Oh, yeah, I could, but wait, actually. Oh, wait, no, never mind. I
you
don't
can
know
just
if
read
it
one,
wants
I
us
guess.
to
I
use
don't know
all
what all of
these.
them are. Like, what are we missing?
Let me see. Scheme, data types.
Byte, short, and long float. I'll just tell you. I'll just put it. It's there's a.
Okay.
I will copy and paste.
Byte. You guys think you just do byte like that?
We can try it at least.
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Why won't it? Whatever. Short. Oh, I forgot to put there. Char. There's doubles too. It's annoying. So I already have, I just need long. I think that's the one left. I'm feeling like there's gonna be a million errors though. But we'll see.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like, these are not, or whatever it said for the first one that we tried. Never mind, there's no errors.
Doesn't it say 76 is a float though?
Oh yeah. I mean, that's like the only thing is I don't like how else do you check if it's
Oh
a
wait, could
float?
you should put the real under the under which one do we want? Int under int. And long, right? I think you put the real condition at the last. Because if you do put in like a 7.6 thing, you'd rather have it like it won't pass as like integer and stuff like that, right? Or will it?
Yeah, I mean it probably would, but they won't find out, I guess, unless they really, I mean they will find out by looking at it, but like I don't know. I can't really find anything because who even cares about doing this, I guess. I don't know.
Yes, so
Honestly.
let's see what comes up when you Google.
Oh, you're
I
right.
was on their website.
It's literally called type real. So you are right, but you're right. Okay. We don't need to change it. That's funny.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're right. That's so weird. It's of type real. I guess that works. I'll just leave it like that. Everything else,
Okay.
I mean, do we need to test to see? Actually, you know what I'll do is we just like look up short variable in scheme so we can see what it's called. So then it won't be wrong. Okay, I can't even find anything. Oh, I'll look up short data type. Maybe that'll help. Here we go. Okay, here. Integers, reals, rationals. Oh, we should probably do rationals, right? I don't think there's longs though. I don't know.
Wait, it said, do any of us have the HTML manual up?
No, I have no idea what that
I don't
is.
think that's a thing, bro.
It might be in his stuff, like in his like
Oh.
modules. or
I went
something.
through all like the
Oh, I'm at the same article you were on earlier.
yeah, no, I looked through all the Google Docs that he has for notes. I control F HTML. Nothing. Nothing.
Awesome.
Gambit scheme reference. Oh wait,
Real.
This a
We
fake?
just there's something called symbols. Should we do that?
Where?
I don't
On
know.
screen data types.
I'm gonna be honest. I like what we have now.
Yeah.
All right. It's
I
fine.
like
I'll
this
just
good.
yeah, we'll just turn I'll take a screenshot. I'll turn this part in.
They're gonna see our conditions, be like, we did not ask for all of these.
That's
How
probably what a
smart.
lot of
They
people
got-
are gonna do, I imagine.
They got everything. Look at that.
Wow. We didn't even account for this. Wait, could you cover over like question 5? I just want to go through it. Just start it.
Yeah, give me 1 sec.
I'm not even
Got
going
this
on my
screenshot
side.
from
I'm just
Steven.
literally like following along as the group goes.
Oh wait, not copy. I need to save it. Question 5. This one?
Hmm?
Oh, this one's pretty
Yeah.
easy.
I was
It's
just
literally easier than the first few. Look at that.
number is between 2 other groups. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you can do question
Oh,
4. I'll look
okay.
at question 5.
All right. 4. Oops, I want that full screen. I don't need that right now. All right. Inside the file. Create a method named 15%. %, of the total passed in. That's so weird.
Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, it's just read in X and then return times 0.15.
Just like that.
I think so.
Returns it. Should I do display or whatever? How did
I
what
don't
did
know. It just says call the function in main twice with 1.0 and 80.
All right, I'll just leave display because he didn't say we couldn't do that. So why not?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, wait, these are much easier than the ones.
I
we
know.
just-
What the heck?
I feel like the other ones aren't hard. There's just a lot of
More
it's like
complicated.
it's like quirky or some shit, you know?
Yeah.
1.0 and oops. 80. Call me. Okay.
If it's that easy, I'll be beat. Let's see. Oh,
No. Oh, I probably did something wrong again. Operator's not a
Oh.
procedure. Did I call the function right? Let's see, 15% X and you do display. Maybe I did display wrong or something. I don't think so. I mean, it did the first part right, which is weird, but it didn't do the second one right. Because it put out 0.15 for 1.0, right? But it didn't do
yeah, I believe so. I feel like that should be right.
but it didn't do the 80, so I don't know what I did. Maybe it doesn't like that it's like a I don't think it cares, but who knows? No, still not right. Operator is not a procedure. I had to mess up parentheses somewhere, right? Now I'm gonna do this real quick. Just have this part like that. See if it works. No, I messed up the parentheses. And then what is it? Oh, I have a whole extra one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if that affects it though, but we can see.
Oh, it did.
That's
Oh, we got to
cute.
do new
This
lines.
is not what I want.
Yeah, it worked. Okay, weird. Just real quick, we have to make sure 50 is 12 times or 80 times 0.15 actually 12.
Let's see. Yep. Why does it
I
have
don't
a
like that.
period at the end? That's weird.
I think it's supposed to be like the decimal, but I don't like it.
Yeah.
It's okay though. I don't think it matters, but whatever. Okay, and then we just take a screenshot again. How much time do we have
Wait.
left? 33 minutes. I feel like that's enough.
Well, let me see number. Oh, okay. I was gonna say we. It
Pretty sure
looks
I'm
like we didn't
almost
have
done with
to. Okay. I was gonna say it looks like we didn't have to read in the values for 15%.
Okay.
Okay. What does number 6 look like? Create a function named curved grade that accepts an integer and a lambda function.
Should we do, are you just doing 5 right now?
Yeah, I'm doing number 5.
All right. We'll just do 6. I feel like this one's gonna be kind of annoying because the lambda functions are weird.
Yeah.
Function curved grade.
Okay. The pass function must be a lambda function.
How do you pass in a lambda function?
I don't know. I'm gonna look and see if I can find it in notes.
Pretty sure mine's working. I'm just gonna. I think I found a cooler way to do it, so I'm just gonna try it for a second.
Wait, yours was the in between one, right? That's number
Yeah.
5.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think you could just put like
2. Yeah, and nested and just
like this, and then if we put,
Okay.
I think it like whenever you pass stuff in, it's like weird, right? You don't actually have to have a type, so I think this is fine. We'll see. Use the function pass in to modify the grade and return the value. Oh my goodness. So X, I'm actually gonna name them because I feel like that'll make it easier. X is the grade and Y is lambda. How do you spell that like that? So we call the lambda function like this on grade.
Yeah, I'm looking through the notes right now and I'm trying to see how
I think I'll make the lambda
the
function.
lambda function is
first.
used.
So then you just go lambda the parameter
variables. Yeah.
x, and then it's what you're doing to it, which is
Yeah. What are we supposed to do with?
curved grade, accepts integer, should use a function. What?
Oh, okay. So
Oh,
we gotta
multiply by
write.
two. Like that.
Oh, okay. I get it.
Function two
makes
adds
sense.
5. Okay, so we have two different functions.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we need to create the lambda inside the other one actually. Because
Yeah.
lambda, yeah, okay. Which is weird. I think we should do, because how do you pass? Because lambda, you have to already have the value passed in when you create it, right? So how could we use the grade from the function outside of the function, right? Because it's not like global or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll just write it out just to have it, so I don't have to do that later. We would be doing grade, but we can't do that, I don't think.
Because isn't the idea like the lambda function operates differently if you pass in different parameters?
I mean, I think, yeah, but I also think it's because the lambda function also just goes away, I remember. Like when you make it, like after it's used, it goes away or something.
Yeah.
Something like that. Oh, I should close this off because it's being weird. What was the other one? Add 5 to the grade. But I don't know. Yeah, I think you do have to create it inside. Like we would have to do like, but how do you pass it in like that? That's so weird. Actually, you
I
know
don't know.
what?
Do you want to look at the function design notes?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now, but I think I have an idea. We can do like when you do main, like let's say we have main, right? And then what we do is when we call curved grade, we have to create the lambda function, right? We're using 80, and then we would do this. Like, you know, is lambda have a capital L? I'm
No,
guessing
I
it
don't think so.
Oh, okay. So I'll just do lambda and like literally have it right here like this.
Oh, wouldn't
And
it be times?
yeah, my bad. Like that. I think that's how you do it, honestly. Because that makes sense to me. Because I don't think you could do it really any other way. Because how are you supposed to pass in a lambda function? Because it doesn't even have a name, you know? Like it's just lambda or whatever. So I think you just have to do it like this. And I feel like this will work. But then it's like, what is even the purpose of curved grade, dude? We don't even need it.
Yeah,
It
I don't
doesn't even
know.
do anything. It's just sitting here. I don't know.
Getting an error, but I don't know why.
I'll just see if this works real quick. Ill-formed special form define.
Is that a parentheses issues? Because I have it right now and it's annoying.
Yeah, it might be. I don't really know. Did I do this right? I really don't see any other way of doing this, right? Like, how do you? Yeah, I don't know.
Hmm. I just hate the lambda functions. I don't understand it.
Oh, we should, oh, I get, okay. I think we pass in this stuff and now I think we need to return the value.
Oh,
But what? Oh, does grade get changed? So I can literally just do display grade like that? Or no?
Because yeah, do you pass it in or do you just like call it in main or whatever?
I know you have to pass it in. Like it's technically going through curve grade, and we need like in this thing, it literally says call curve grade twice in main with two different grades and two different curving functions. So obviously, when you're passing in, you need to like whatchamacallit? Like you need to actually create the lambda while you're passing it in, like how I did, I think, because it says call it with two different grades and two different curving functions. So I think that's how it works. This is you have to do the lambda function. The main function should display the returned value. Okay, well, I guess I could do this instead of. I think the lambda function is already returned for you, though. I don't think you even need to do that. Don't they? I don't know. This is like
How much time do we have left?
like 30-ish minutes, I think. How did I end up with that? Oh, I might have messed up the parentheses. That's why I was messed up.
Really?
Yeah,
Let's see.
yeah, I did mess them up.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, EOF. That makes sense.
No, it's still messed up. Ill form, special form, defined. Maybe I'll look that up.
Hmm.
all right, guys. I have a thing for between nums. Very easy, but I have an error.
Okay, what's wrong with it?
I'll just copy and paste my code into the chat. So it's that. And basically it's just like, hey, this is in between. Don't know why it's not working. So y should be the one where it's in between the two.
I think my scheme, or I think my lambda function is messed up somehow. Do you know like the exact format? I don't remember. Like, do I have to have grade in parentheses too? I feel like that makes sense. I'll just try that real quick. Why not?
Hmm.
No, still messed up.
Oh wait.
Did it work?
Couldn't you just like do this? Wait, let me copy and paste it and then edit it.
Oh, I'm supposed to run. Oh, wait, I think mine works, guys. I might be stupid.
I mean, I think yours looks right because you have the.
Okay.
Yeah, it does look right.
Guys, I figured out my error. My error
What was wrong with it?
that I was not running the right file in my terminal. So it was working the whole time. I was running schemed intro 3, which I didn't.
Nice.
So in fact, it's
All
been
right,
working
it's whatever.
this whole time. Yeah.
Okay.
So we have.
Do you
5
want
done.
to?
I'll help you out with 6, obviously. I'll get on that. I'll look.
So is the 5 solution the ones in chat right now?
Yeah, that's just like that one function. Yeah. Are we supposed? It doesn't. the question doesn't say to like run anything like main, right?
Let's see. What does it say?
Oh, it says all three parameters will be passed in, which means it needs read, right?
Oh yeah, that's easy though.
Yeah. Does
I
it
could
just
just do that right here.
do you just replace?
You could just do like, what is it?
fuzzy with-
Display.
Oh shit. Just do it. Oh. I'm trying to press tab to like go in, but it like switches to other stuff on the web page.
I put it
thing.
in chat. Couldn't you just do that?
Yeah. Should I just do that in like a main function or whatever? Like that.
Or you could just do it inside the function. Or no. You
That's
just
more
have it in the
confusing.
program. But you could just do it in main to be safe, I guess.
Yeah, I'll just do main like that. I do have to have a screenshot of it running, right? So I have to do real quick.
Oh, I can't believe I was stuck on that for 10 minutes. I was like, why is this not working?
Hopefully. it does work. Paste. Oh God. It was like the what is that called? Like the spacing that's from like web pages is like in the thing. It's so weird. Just put enter like right here.
I think you guys were doing the same thing. I didn't see what you guys were doing, but this is what I have as my app, like full file.
All right. I'll just copy that because I don't feel like figuring out if this works or not.
Don't
it's
you
literally-
wanna?
Wait.
Well, I guess. Oh, if you have the display in the original function.
Shit looks
Oh my
ugly.
Unless it
goodness.
doesn't anything.
Copy.
Shit looks ugly.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know what I copied on accident. I need to make sure. I get rid of all everything and then. Okay, not doing that. Oh, how do you go back? Undo. Undo. Okay, does that look fine?
Let me display. I'm gonna make sure it just looks exactly like mine.
What are we supposed to put in? Like one,
Play between nums.
not between. Oh yeah, 4 is not between
I don't
1 and 3.
I don't think you need this. Oh wait, when you're typing it in, you don't need to put it like all individual, or at least I didn't. Use just one space for space 3. That should be.
All right.
What does the void mean?
Don't
Wait,
know.
hold on. Go
but-
back. Wait, can you get rid of display in the main? I don't think you need display in there because display's in the upper function.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay.
That might be it. Just a parentheses. Oh wait. No, you didn't. Wait,
I
no, you
think
did.
it's good. No, this is extra, I guess now.
Yeah, I guess so. That should be fine.
Yeah.
Hopefully gets rid of the void. Nice.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, there we go.
Make sure I get everything.
Do we have 6 figured out, by the way? Just curious. Not really, right?
What's up?
Do we have 6 figured out?
Not really. It's weird. Give me 1 second. I'll do that. The only thing that's like annoying is you have to like we don't get to spend the whole time actually focusing on the problems because we have to like upload this stuff too.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Okay. Open 6 real quick.
You can click a new tab and have all the stuff open at once on file. So if you want to like switch between the stuff, like down there, it's like
Oh,
yeah.
that makes sense. All right.
Okay.
Well, it's like I know lambda functions, like, they don't even have a name, so it's like you can't even really like call it, right? So when you pass it in, I
Yeah.
think you have to actually have it in there like that. But the formatting, I think, is messed up or something. I don't really know.
Mm.
I also don't know. Like, what are we supposed to put?
Function one.
Use the function pass in to modify the grade and return the value, which, I mean, I think that's what it's doing, but where is it? It's right now. I just don't understand, really, to be honest. Maybe. I click on. Oh, weird.
Read lambda numbers. Sent. That's so weird.
Oh, so maybe we can do like, I think we can do that actually, like this. I think that's like a base form because he has sent, and that could be like the sent in value, right? Then it'd be like, oh, but then that wouldn't make sense because we have to do two different ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, never mind. Yeah, I don't really get this,
Mm.
dude.
Grade. Oh, this is so weird. Can you go to the original question?
Yeah.
I just want to. I copy and pasted it.
Very good.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
All right. I don't know. You know, I just want to run it for fun. What happens? Still the same thing. It's, I don't think this is wrong. I just think the formatting's messed up somehow.
Last function must be a lambda function.
I don't really
Is there
understand
any?
how we're supposed
Uh,
to do it.
so it's an error. Okay.
Yeah, it's like ill form, special form, define.
Could you go to like lambda and then put it
Wait a second.
like?
Wait.
Could you put lambda in parentheses at the top in curve grade?
This part?
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah. I guess. Let me try.
I'm just trying anything at this point.
How much time do we have?
Less than 30 minutes.
Was that also an error?
We have 11 minutes. Oh my goodness.
It's okay. We got
Okay.
this. So it didn't work, right? Like,
Yeah, it
give an
doesn't
error.
work. Lambda functions, iterative function. Please give me something better. What the hell? This is using lambda into lambda. I don't want to look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Lambda as argument.
Um,
Oh, look. This thing has actually lambda. Oh,
It's
okay.
lambda and then grade, or
Yeah, like this.
yeah.
Yeah, I just saw something like that. I looked
And
found
then
something on Stack.
delete the grade in between, or do you have to say it twice?
Mm,
Like, wouldn't it just be curved grade, lambda grade? Yeah, like that.
right. And then we do the lambda down here type thing. We don't need to do the X. We just need to do the operations. Oh wait, they did do the X actually. Weird. Okay. Well, let's just see if this does something. No, my parentheses are messed up now.
Yeah.
No, it's still messed up, but at least it's closer to what it should look like, right?
Fine, hello.
We have the lambda passed in. So then down here, I don't think we need to call it like that.
Could you try just putting the grade back in on the top, like curved right after curved grade, or something like just a different variable? I don't know if grade and I don't even know if they should be the same thing.
Wait, are you sure you need to have the grade at the end of the function?
I mean, I don't know.
Because can't you just do like just the operation and it'll work?
Maybe let's just try. No, still, it's like the define part is messed up. But this one is like define hello. Oh my goodness, wait. No, I think their scheme is different than ours actually. Like, you know, he's like, oh, there's different things that,
Oh,
that look,
different. Yeah.
because their define, like, am I doing it wrong? Isn't define supposed to be like define and then parentheses, or am I?
See, I copy and
Yeah.
pasted something in the chat. The one I looked has this showing. It's formatted like this. Like the F, I assume, is the function, but they don't have it in parentheses.
Let's try that. What was it called? Curve grade. And
They have their parent, then they have their stuff. Like a lambda grade.
and then body, what is that? Oh, I guess it's just a
Yeah,
function
that's
body.
just that's the stuff that's like their own thing.
Yeah. No, now the lambda is messed up. So I guess the define was messed up before, but now it's just lambda is messed up.
Wait, don't you need a parenthesis before the curved grade?
I mean, usually, but it's,
Yeah, that like it usually is, but like the stuff where I'm seeing online, they function. They like organize it differently.
It's so
it might
weird.
just be because they're using like a different version of scheme.
Yeah, that
Then
might
it's
just
weird.
be.
Whenever when I add the parentheses is ill form define, right? When I remove it, the issue becomes the lambda, which I think is probably, that means this is right, then this part is wrong.
Wait, get rid of the stuff in the. I just want to see if it even passes.
Or I was
Yeah.
gonna say, can't you just do lambda like grade without the parentheses?
Let me, oh fuck.
Because
Okay,
maybe it thinks you're trying to put in lambda as a function, or like
lambda,
just for lambda space grade. Yeah.
wait, I should probably undo what I did before though, real quick. No. There we go, okay.
So weird.
Because I don't want to lose that part, because that part is like, I know we have to do that at least somewhere, right? Oh, what is up with these backspaces? Like that.
Yeah.
Start typing stuff because I feel like we just need to test more stuff.
No, it's still issue with lambda. I mean, if it doesn't work, it at least looks like we like,
Stuff.
we're getting there.
It's just
Yeah.
the syntax thing. How much time do we have?
We only have 5 minutes left. I think when it gets like 2 minutes, we're
Yeah,
just gonna have to
we
like,
should just put something down.
yeah, I'll copy and paste this part at least for now. Just because if I don't have anything there, that would be way worse. All right,
We should just play
what
around
did I
with
just
this.
do? Somehow I copy and pasted the same thing over. Weird. Let me just take this out because I'll still have it. I'm gonna see what happens.
Probably won't do anything because you're not making a.
Yeah, we're not even getting there yet.
Wait, did you
but
save it right? Also, actually, I don't know.
I mean, this formatting would be wrong. We'd have to put the 80 and 90 right here, right? 80, 90. Oops. I'm not really sure what to do. But then again, this thing is supposed to be like, it's supposed to accept a lambda and a integer,
Wait, maybe
right?
try curved grade. Like, hang on. Like, maybe do it like this. I'm gonna type it.
This thing undo actually is unreal. This sucks. Because we are supposed to pass in an integer, so we need to have that up there at least for the answer,
Like, maybe try doing it in chat like that. Or is it an issue with the function or main? Do you think?
That's what we're
Function
trying
to
to
see.
it's the function.
Curved grade lambda. Try that. Okay, dude, this thing is so bad. Curved grade lambda. I know it should be like that. See what it says now. No, it's still messed up.
Mm.
I'm just gonna do this for fun. See what it does.
Now it's in.
Now, there's no errors.
Oh. Interesting.
Hopefully yours work. I'm trying stuff too, and it is not working. So now it's in lambda. Oh, oopsies. Oh, okay, this undo button is so bad.
I know it literally logs your clicks as changes for some reason. Like I was spamming undo and it's just moving my cursor or like the position or whatever over and over again. I mean, there's no errors, but I don't really honestly, I have no idea what to do. I'm at least paste this in because okay.
I think you accidentally clicked paste. It pasted it in.
No.
There we go.
I think we're fucked.
That's
I'm just
whatever.
trying to make
It's
that
in
1 minute.
Yeah. No.
All right.
Okay, maybe we get partial.
Yeah,
I think
will.
we will at the very least.
You'll see the infinite errors and be like, all right, these kids tried.
These poor kids.
Poor souls. Maybe they should have had something, an example where they pass in the lambda in the thing.
Yeah, I don't know.
Never thought about that. It probably was. It's probably like the Gambit scheme references or something like that. we did not check. Like it's not in the main Google Docs. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe. I mean, I watched all the videos, but I mean, I didn't watch every single one and every single part of every video, but I watched like most of it, you know. I mean,
All right.
nothing really I
I'll
can do.
start on the survey.
Do we all have to do the survey? Oh my God! Wait, I found it. I just found it.
That sucks.
Look, this
What does it
guy
look like?
here. It is in the racket thing. Then you scroll down, or you can just Control F. Declaring optional arguments, and it's like the second box, and it has examples, and it has define, greet, and then lambda inside of it.
Damn.
And it was,
That's tough.
I think this was in, you had to go to scheme function notes on defining functions, like not the function design, but the scheme function notes. And I looked up Control F lambda, and I went to the resources and I found it.
That sucks. I mean, they're all equally weighted, at least the questions, so it's not too bad. They're all worth the same amount of points. And I'm sure we'll get like, I mean, in computer science, usually things like this is like, you know, at least I hope so. They're not gonna fucking give us 0 points for not compiling. That would suck.
I'm going to stop the recording. I think we're done.
Yeah.
Okay.